In this video, we're going to walk through the necessary steps to take for making an update to an alert that you have already set up and scheduled. So say for instance, you haven't had your coffee yet and you inadvertently make a mistake in the message that you entered for an alert. For example, you put the wrong time or date that the alert is actually supposed to go out. No big deal. From your dashboard, you're going to click the Manage Alerts from the blue tabbed options that you see on the right side of your screen. Once you reach your grid or list of alerts, simply click the name of the alert that you need to edit. The next screen you see will allow you to change any of your previously set configurations. As an example, I'll go ahead and change the message that's on this alert. When you've completed making edits, be sure to click the green Update Alert button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it! You've just learned how to make an update to an existing alert. Thanks again for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when a new video drops. Thanks, we'll see you next time!